Alright guys, I think I got a hard one for you. Alright, I just replaced my axle U-joints like a couple weeks ago, and now when I'm in four-wheel drive, part-time, full-time, whatever, on any kind of dry pavement, when I turn the wheels just about this much, not even full turn or anything, it just kind of binds up real bad. And it won't even let me move, so I put the transfer case in neutral, the Jeep is in neutral, and I'm trying to push it back just by hand to kind of figure out what's going on. And it looks like when I'm pushing on it, the engine is raising up, and it's almost like the suspension has to raise up to get over what's blocking it. And I just cannot figure out what is causing this. I mean, ball joints are in good shape. Axle U-joints, yeah, again, I just replaced those. I checked the wheel bearings. I replaced the sway bar bushings. See, it just won't budge. It's just locked up on something. When I give it just a little throttle, it'll kind of push out of it, but it'll do this at full turn or what have you. Or when I'm driving in just regular two-wheel drive going down the road, hitting bumps, there's some rattling noises. And also, when I'm turning, there's a slight clunk, clunk, clunk every couple seconds. Mostly when I'm turning right, but it does it when I'm turning left as well. Yeah, again, I know this is hard for you guys to figure out over the internet, but please do your best to give me a hand here. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.